Hello everyone and welcome to my session. First of all, I would like to thank the event organizer to give me this opportunity to present my experience and study in the field of digital transformation in mining. And today I want to talk about the benefits and some challenges that we are facing with them when we want to apply artificial intelligence and other advanced analytics mathematical models to improve the operations in mining area. And also I would like to introduce one of the innovative approach that we have to assess the maturity of company in different dimensions to reach to the digital and smart mining. I'm Soofastaei, an AI program leader in Vale. Vale is one of the biggest producer of iron ore and nickel in the world, and I had a chance to work with this company for more than 7 years. Before that, I was working for BHP and Shell. I graduated from the University of Queensland and I completed my PhD and postdoctoral research fellow in the field of AI application in mining. And I had a chance to work and study in this field for more than 15 years. And I not only worked directly with industry, but also had the chance to supervise the PhD students, master students in different countries, and also publish different journal papers and reference book in this specific area. And as you definitely know, I'm from Australia and I'm living in Brisbane. Brisbane is the third largest city in East Coast in Australia. As I mentioned, I'm working for Vale, and as you can see in this slide, Vale has been ranked as the 19th innovative company in the world. And in this list, you can see some prestigious companies same as Microsoft, Google, Apple, etc. And having one of the mining company in this list, maybe it would be surprising for you, but we reached to this rank based on the change management vision that we had and focusing on digital transformation and some new technology in this area. And I can say Vale is pioneer to use AI in different operation and now focusing on some logistic areas and developing an integrated optimization models through the mine value chain and through the supply chain. All of these applications of new technology, including the new science and advanced analytics, helped Vale to reach to this rank. I'm working for AI Center. AI Center physically is located in Vitoria. Vitoria is the capital city of Espírito Santo state in Brazil. But this is just a physical location. But my colleague and I working globally from different countries. And as you may know, Vale has operation in more than 35 countries right now. And we are leading different types of initiatives in different countries, help Vale to be more innovative and also pioneer in the field of digital transformation. We know that working in the age of the knowledge, it's very difficult, especially when we talk about the old industry, same as mining. So in Vale, we decided to outsource our business challenges with different universities, research centers around the world and ask them to help us. Based on this reason, now we have contract with 20 universities in Canada, in United States, in England, Australia, everywhere, to help us to be innovative and help us to solve our problem with using the new science and new technology. We are supporting postgraduate students, and also we are defining different technical and industrial projects for them and supporting them by data and etc. The scope of AI center work or the digital transformation program in Valley is very wide, but in this slide you can see we try to focus on different areas working started from exploration and to the marketing and sales. But based on the the accuracy of the data, having access to the data, and also different maturity level that we have in different operations, etc., it's not possible right now to have the same progress in all boxes that you can see here in this slide. So we had very good progress, for example, in surface mining for mobile equipment, etc., but in other areas, same as exploration, we are very young. We started working in the field of using AI for marketing and sales and shipping, but definitely we need to work more and more to make sure we can have the sustained product working for Valley. We know that it's not possible just focusing on technology or focusing on data, etc. Digital transformation is a revolution, and in this revolution we need to focus in different areas or different dimensions. We know that we need to train our people, we need to facilitate our operation with the new technology, we need to use soft sensors, we need to use the cloud-based applications, we need to use the cloud-based or data lake or to storage or data, and we need to not only prepare the infrastructure that we need for digital transformation, but also we need to update our softwares, we need to train our people, we need to hire some experts from different areas helping us to be active in this field. So this is the 4 different dimensions of AI-centered activities that you can see in this slide. But we are not a university, we are not a research center, we are working in a very competitive industry, mining. So we need to focus on our business challenges, that business problems that we have, if you want to develop any solutions, any digital solutions for them. So as you can see in this slide, the starting point for us is the business problems that we have in different areas. We have a business challenges hub, and all of the businesses that we are working with them send us or their problems, their challenges with operation, maintenance or safety, etc. And then we will work in this hub to find some solution, the digital solution for them. And then we will work with our partners, them at universities, research centers, OEMs, etc., to make and to complete the feasibility study or proof of concept. When we reach to the proof of concept for each idea, then we will work with IBM, Accenture, Deloitte, Microsoft, and other prestigious IT companies to develop the final product for us, and then we deliver the final product to the operation or to the business that they ask them. But after that, after delivering product, AI Center that I told you in Victoria will support this product for any maintenance, enhancement, or improvement. It means that they are looking after the products that we are developing with our partners. But let's talk quickly about artificial intelligence, because this is a mining event and maybe some people doesn't have any clear idea about the AI. In computer science, artificial intelligence, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines. Unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, from Siri to self-driving cars, AI is progressing rapidly. While science fiction often illustrates AI as robots with human-like qualities, AI can include anything from Google search algorithms to IBM's Watson to autonomous weapons, etc. Artificial intelligence today is properly known as narrow AI or weak AI. It's designed to perform a little task, for example, only face recognition, internet searches, or driving a car. However, many researchers' long-term goal is to create general AI or AGI or a strong AI. While weak AI may overtake humans at whatever is a specific task, like playing chess or solving equations, AGI would overtake humans at nearly every mental task AI technology can increase business productivity by up to 40% based on the many sources that we studied. And the number of the AI startups since 2000 has increased by 14 times. And today, 80% of enterprises are investing in AI, and 30% of enterprises are planning on expanding their AI investments over the next 36 months. Or 62% expect to hire a chief AI officer in the future, and 91% see barriers ahead with lack of IT infrastructure. So it's really true that AI is not only found in innovation labs anymore. People appreciate how it can transform business, but business have to face some challenges before they can fully use this technology's power. The AI development and using advanced analytics is not just related to the companies or some specific industries. Nowadays, the governments try to use this technology and try to develop the application of this new science through the countries. We can see, for example, China or Canada or Germany started from 2017, but now globally you can find all of the countries around the world interested in having this technology and this science using practically every day, every single day. And we are very optimistic about the AI future. Definitely, we are facing with many different types of barriers, challenges, problems, but AI is future, and definitely, or the new generation doesn't have any chance to eliminate AI from their life. Digital transformation can bring huge benefits to industrial processes. Here are some ways digital transformation can improve industrial processes. For example, enhanced efficiency. Digital transformation can automate and optimize processes, reducing manual efforts and time consumption. For instance, implementing predictive maintenance can help companies to monitor equipment performance and predict failures in advance, reducing downtime and increasing uptime. The second one is improved quality. Digital transformation can help to monitor and control the production processes, thereby improving the quality of the final product. Advanced technologies like machine learning and AI can be used to identify and eliminate defects in real time. The third one is cost saving. It's very clear. And the fourth one is the better data analysis, and the fifth one is improved safety. Digital transformation can help to improve safety by identifying the potential hazards and providing real-time alerts. For instance, implementing an automated safety system can help detect and respond quickly to safety hazards, reducing the risk of accidents. And overall, digital transformation can significantly improve industrial processes, increasing efficiency, quality, cost saving, better data analysis, and enhanced safety. In this slide, you can see a couple of the advanced analytics challenges, because it's not easy to reach to all the benefits that I mentioned in the last slides. The first problem is computing. Computing is not that advanced. Machine learning and deep learning techniques that's the most beneficial require a series of calculations to be made quickly. Therefore, the AI techniques utilize a lot of processing power. AI has been in the expert discussion for a long time, and it always came out that there needs to be more power to implement these AI techniques. Cloud computing and massively parallel processing systems have created hope for implementing these techniques in the short term. Still, as data volumes go up and deep learning moves towards in the automated creation increasingly complex algorithms, cloud computing would not help. The second challenge is favor people support. AI implementation doesn't have enough use cases in the traditional industry, same as mining. And without it, no organization would be interested in investing money in AI-based projects. It means that few companies are interested in investing money into developing AI-based products. Moreover, more people need to make other businesses understand the global vision of the powered machine progress. Not enough people know how to operate machine that think and learn. To solve this problem, might carry the citizen data scientists, but there are more permanent and natural solutions. Another alternative is a shift towards offering platforms and tools that permit AI-driven to work as a service. Then, rather than starting everything from scratch, organization can take ready-made solutions and plug in their data. The third one is creating trust. The problem with the AI is that it's like a black box for people. People doesn't feel comfortable when they don't understand how the decision was made. Therefore, somewhere AI has yet to create trust among people, and the only solution to this problem is to let people see that this technology works. People prefer to tackle simple mathematical challenges. For instance, they like to use simple algorithms based on the linear maths. That's easy to explain, the algorithm and how they reach from input to output. However, the reality is somewhat different. And it shows that there are many opportunities to make things better by having more accurate predictions. This subject creates problems for companies. For example, support a part of the internal governmental regulations tells that employees may have the right to ask about their decisions with AI. This type of the explanation would be very complex and challenging. The fourth challenge is probability. The fifth is data privacy and security. That's very important. The sixth one is algorithm bias. A big problem with AI systems is that their level of goodness or badness depends on the much data they are trained. Insufficient data is often associated with ethics, communal, gender, or racial biases. In the future, such biases will be highlighted more as many AI systems will continue to be trained to utilize insufficient data. So organizations working on AI urgently need to train these systems with unbiased data and create algorithms that can be easily explained. And the last one here, but not least, is data scarcity. It is a fact that companies have access to more data at present than ever before. However, data sets that apply to AI applications to learn are unusual. However, the most powerful AI machines are those trained in supervised learning. This kind of training requires labeled data, and labeled data is organized to make it understandable for machines to learn. One more thing about the labeled data is that it has limits. Automating the creation is increasingly complex algorithms will only worsen the problem. Still, there is a ray of hope. As time passes, organizations are investing in design methodologies and focusing on how to create AI models to learn despite this scarcity of labeled data. But this is just one side of the coin. In another side, definitely we are facing with a huge benefits and opportunities. AI can help us to complete the prediction models for different operations, specifically for safety, for energy efficiency, and etc. And using AI techniques for optimization can help us to optimize our operation. And by this optimizing, we can reduce carbon, we can improve safety, we can improve energy efficiency, we can reduce the final cost, everything. And also we have the virtual assistants or making intelligent decision devices can help the management and all people through the company to make the better and better decisions. And the last one here is the AI integrated value chain models. Previously we could just work with the different mathematical models for the local optimization, but now AI can help us to improve our capabilities and have an integrated AI applications. So the practical steps for digital transformation in different industries can vary depending on each industry's needs and goals. However, some common steps can be followed for successful digital transformation across industries. For example, the first one is identify business goals. The second one is access current technology. The third one is prioritize areas for improvement. The fourth one is develop a digital strategy. Fifth one is invest in technology. Then the sixth one is train employee. Seventh is monitor and measure progress. And in overall, successful digital transformation in different industries requires a strategic and systematic approach that involves careful planning, technology investment, and ongoing progress monitoring and measurement. So today I really like just to quickly show you how we are tackling with this type of the challenge and using digital transformation practically in our company. As you can see in this slide, we have 6 levels of the maturity, and from raw data to optimization, and it's important for us to evaluate or assess our maturity in different dimensions. This type of the model or scale can help us to use the new technology to evaluate practically or maturity in, for example, for different dimensions. That is here is data, people, processes, and system. And this technology can help you to not only find your as-is situation or current situation, but also help you to design your to-be condition or the ideal condition, and clarify the gap between as-is and to-be points for different sub-dimensions. And it can help your company to make the better decisions, to define the new project to cover the gap when they want to have the digital transformation revolution in the company, or in mining industry we name future mining or mining 4.0. But we have 2 different levels of the maturity in our company. The low level focusing on people, system, technology, processes, as I told you, and the higher level focusing on operation, maintenance, energy efficiency, and safety. It means that in this revolution, it's necessary for us to make sure we are developing our maturity in all dimensions together and in parallel. It's very important. We don't like just to have a big, for example, body and a small head. We need to make sure we are mature enough in all the dimensions that I explained here. So it's a different dashboards that we are using, for example, in Valley to evaluate our situation. But one thing that is important here is this slide. In this slide, you can see the benchmarking capabilities that we will have access to it. When we want to, for example, invest in different areas, it's very important for us to make a balance between different assets for maturity, or to digest this revolution, to digest the digital transformation and new technologies in mining. So by completing this type of the assessment, you can benchmark and you can compare the maturity of your different assets when you want to invest in to improve your maturity. But in this slide, you can see the screenshot of one of the applications developed for Valley, and we are using now. Just, it's easy. You can click on the year, you can click on the area, and the application can visualize your maturity for digital transformation in different dimensions in different areas. Okay, so as I mentioned many times, the digital transformation or future mining or mining 4.0 or AI application in mining is the culture. It is not about the technology. And we need to make sure we are training our people, we are providing our requirements, and also we are developing the new technology for them. It's not easy because In the market you can find many startups or companies. They are developing different sensors, soft sensors, hard sensors, and you can purchase some new technology for your company. But when you want to train your people, you cannot find some educational institutes or universities providing this type of the courses for people to train them and to um, prepare them to work in this area. And another challenge is in publication area. In the market right now, you cannot find some related reference books or journal papers in this area. To cover this gap and helping the people who are interested in growing up in this area, we recently established the center named or the institute named Soofastaei Institute, working on three different dimensions. Now we are providing some educational programs as a long-term course or boot camp programs, etc., for universities and for industries. And also we are working with some prestigious publishers, same as CRC Press, McGraw-Hill, and other companies, Intake Open in London, to provide their reference books for them. And we have contract with some companies to providing the analytical services for them. If you are interested in having more information about this type of the services, please search about this institute on Google, or you can go to the website or have a look through our social media web pages and find many more details. Thank you so much, and thanks again to our organizer to give